channel is Emmy Joy to the World, and today I'm going to be making slime. So I have my glue, my Elmer's activator, and I have dye, spoon and bowl of course, and then I have some glitter around the edges for the decoration, and I might put some in my slime. So let's begin. We're back. So let's begin making our slime. So first I'm going to put in the glue. Oh, also guys, give a big shout out to my dog right here. He has his little bow tie ready for show. Glue is so hard getting out of a bottle. Ooh, it has glitter. Can you guys see that? It has glitter. That's cool. Okay. I don't know how much glue is supposed to come out. Oh my gosh. What's that making that noise, Tella? Okay, I think that's, oh wait. Okay, I think that's all I'm able to get out. Okay, next I'm gonna add in dye. I don't think it needs too much dye, but I'm gonna add in a little bit of red. I'm feeling red today. I don't want it to overpower, so I'm gonna put one drop. Okay, actually I'm gonna put it. Okay, I put the dye. Next, I'm gonna put in the activator. I don't know how much I'm gonna need, so I'm gonna start. That was a little too much. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it. I have a feeling that the red's gonna overpower. Oh, look. This is gonna be such a small slime. Oh yeah, it's turning like purple. Okay, so the red didn't overpower, but it changed the color. So, not slime at all yet, so I'm gonna add a little bit more activator. Ooh, that was a lot. Mix it. Ooh, now it's formed. Can you guys see that? It's like not glue anymore, it's like chunky. So that's slime. I hope I didn't overactivate. Like the first 3 times I made slime, I overactivated it. Okay, I'm gonna go in with one hand now, so I can tell. Oh, it's not activated all the way yet. I'm gonna add more activator. I love the color of the slime. I like the blue, but I'm glad. I feel like there's a lot more glue in here. I'm gonna try adding more glue. There's a lot more. I feel like there's like half the bottle left. Oh, it's like not coming out. Okay, we'll be back once my slime is done. I think my slime is very good. So to make sure it's like perfect, I have to do the 3 tests. So the first one is the clicking test. So let's hear that. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's very light, so it's okay. But it's pretty good. And then next one is Instagram swirl. So, oh, that was messed up. But there you go. There's an Instagram swirl. So it doesn't look like a swirl, but it's an Instagram swirl. So the next test is a bubble test. To be honest, I'm really bad at doing bubbles. But let's see if I can do this. Okay. Such a small slime. See? So I'm sure the slime would be good. Like I did. Maybe my brother would be able to do it, but I'm not good at slime bubbles. But to me, comment down below if you think my slime is really good, because I think it's good. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hit the subscribe button from red to gray. Hit the bell, and have a nice day.